Jellyman seems like he needs some help. Can't heavy Jellyman. Yeah. Yeah. So you prepare for your storm already? Yeah? Prepare for your storm already? So yes, peeps, I see one plane just coming in. See, one plane just coming in. So I thought the airport was totally closed. It's not. Our you know, evidence of the storm coming to Montego Bay as yet. We're not getting a real effect of it as yet either. So the place is just quiet. So yes, peeps, good morning, good evening, good afternoon again. And it's the boy All the Fire 777 in the weather here. Let's say, yeah, the storm is at hand and it's about to hit Jamaica very soon, at least tomorrow. Today is Sunday. So let me see if I can walk through the craft market. I'm going through the craft market. It's Montego Bay craft market, yeah. So let me see if there's a back gate here I can come out through. I'm going on the street to show you what's happening here in Montego Bay. I shut the gate there again. Let me remember. Oh, I think I run it so. Yeah, so let's see. Craft market is closed up. Hopefully everybody secure their stuff. And the rain continues to fall more and more. Yeah. Send your peeps, stick and stay and don't go away. One fire, all the fire. I was there on our journey out. Yeah. So we're gonna take out the beach side and the seaside and probably the airport. I hear the airport close off. Yeah. So let's go. You know. Yeah. Oh. So let's go, peeps. And if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Because I see a lot of you people watching, but you haven't subscribed. So subscribe now. Subscribe! Up off the camera. That's the water. Yeah, the rain coming already, but good thing I walk with my umbrella. I should keep my umbrella in my hand anyway, because if a minute the rain come down and it stop, then it come down and it stop. Yeah, so it come down and stop. 2, 1, 0. Alright? Gonna change it? Not like to change it. That light was gonna change quick. Gonna change it apparently. Oh. Alright, let me walk across fast. Let's go this direction first. Show them what I go around so. Yeah. So we are going close to Pier 1. So show them what I go around and stuff and see. Don't know why I walk around so first. But let's see. I should walk around here so first, peeps. So hopefully everybody batten down. Yeah. Hopefully everybody batten down, peeps. So let's see what's happening across the sea. Yeah. As I say, if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Watch the video. It's like a bigger video. Press like, subscribe. Yeah. So now come out a bit now. Yeah. Thing I'm like when you come around here, so you have to walk all the way and go all the way around back. So I think I'm gonna walk here and then maybe I go down to the fishing village and go down to the airport. Yeah. This might be a long video. Yeah, just to show a little bit of what's happening in Montego Bay. But the sea look calm. Tell you the truth. Based on what I've seen in whole harbour side, the sea is pretty calm here. But the breeze start blow. Already you can feel the breeze fighting my umbrella. Alright, stop fighting, no fighting. Yeah, the breeze start blowing. Yeah, ready to mash up my umbrella. Let me close this umbrella. This umbrella have no use right now. To me. Yeah, let me close it. Yeah. Let me close this umbrella. So the breeze already start blowing. I don't know if you're hearing it properly now. Breeze start blowing like that. The sun come out, which is a good thing. Because when the breeze keep blowing like this, then we won't get a lot of rain. It blows away the rain. Yeah, but I'm just curious that the sea is like so calm. The sea is so calm, peeps. So we're around to Pier 1 side, Montego Bay. Yeah. So just giving you a walkthrough for today. Because tomorrow I know it's gonna be a problem. Maybe I come on the road early in the morning, but not in the evening, because by in the evening we're gonna have trouble. Yeah. So look there, the sea is perfectly calm, peeps. Can't believe the sea is this calm. And I say in whole harbor I see the sea raging. And none of the other places in Jamaica, Portland and them places there. But this side the sea is practically calm. So calm as if we're not going to get any storm. But storm will be here. Yeah, look at that. The sea is so calm, peeps. This is, you know, amazing. This is just amazing, peeps. Look at that. Look at that. No waves right along, but all the way around to Harmony Beach. Sea is very calm. You know, there is no vessel. Yeah, I see one boat all the way out there. I know why am I out there. So one boat all the way out there. Yeah. So let me get a thumbnail. Yeah. Let me get a good one. I take out my long selfie stick, so let me get a good thumbnail. That is it. So you know, peeps, let's hit the road. Let's hit the road. As I said, the sea is perfectly calm, peeps. I can't believe it. Anyway, stick and stay, peeps. And don't go away. One fire. One fire, love what to do and do what to love. Which is best. So yes, peeps. So now we are passing Harmony Beach in the morning here. What does me say? The rain is, the breeze is blowing right now, but not hard. Just like a little sea breeze. Yeah. So we are walking and checking out the place. I mean, just start with relatives in St. Catherine, and they're having a lot of land slippages, blocking roads already. Road blocking in St. Catherine. But here in Montego Bay, as you can see, the sun is out and about. So we have to give God thanks. But yeah, the St. Catherine and Clarendon might get the storm more than anywhere else in Jamaica. So hopefully it comes quickly and fly over the country and leave fast. Yeah, Melissa, when I come, nobody stay. A matter of fact, we'd rather you stay away. Yeah. Cause wrong with, I don't know which man piss off Melissa. But Melissa seems like a Jamaican man mess with her. Yeah. I know a Jamaican man with them break heart. So like a Jamaican man break Melissa heart. Yeah. So yes, peeps, we on the road. And it's a Sunday. And you know tomorrow is Monday. It's not fun day. It's not fun day. So nobody is having fun. We don't have enough fun in this time, peeps. Yeah. So just stick and stay with me and don't go away. And remember, on fire, all fire. Love what you do and do what you love. do it to the best of your ability. So walk in the streets, and then walk as far as we're going down as far as Dead End Beach. Then we'll go as far as to the airport. Yeah, so just stick and stay. And don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Here. Yeah. Oh. So anyhow. Yeah, but the breeze really blowing. Normally I don't see the breeze blow like this. I've passed here several times. I know I've passed here several times and I've never noticed. Oh, I never noticed. I never noticed that there's a moringa tree here. I've never noticed that there's a moringa tree right here in Harmony Park. So these trees, they plant them, but they did not reinforce them, because normally when you plant trees like this, you should go deeper and then you reinforce it. You don't plant and leave it by itself. Yeah, you reinforce it, put a little barrier around it to protect it, like. Otherwise the breeze gonna come and blow it out very easily, blow it down very easily. Yeah, so it seems like a car knocked down one of them the other day and they plant it back. Yeah, so we're on the road, so stick and stay, peeps, don't go nowhere. So yes, peeps, we are on the It Strip, and I'm looking on these buildings and I've seen a real preparation, really, as if the storm is coming. I mean, I thought they would have something like some sandbag on the house. Maybe they don't do this down here on the top of the roofs or stuff like that, but I haven't seen any. Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe the roof is safe. Yeah, maybe the roofs are very secure, put it that way. Yeah, so we are on the It Strip, and I say I'm looking across the sea, and the sea is so calm. Wow, very calm. So calm, it couldn't be more calmer. Oh my God. Yeah, because even ironings like that, I thought, because if the wind come, then ironing like that would be torn down, of course. Yeah, so they button down this around here, they button down there, but they like the hardening, that kind of hardening, definitely. Breeze gonna tear that up. Breeze gonna heat that for lunch. Yeah, hardenings like that will be easily torn down. I like a breeze, so I see that restaurant really button up with some plyboard and stuff. Yeah, beach is empty. The beach is empty for a Sunday morning. Yeah, it's like one person there. Yeah, but the place is just quiet. Normally not so quiet, you know. Yeah, this is the It Strip. It is quiet. Whoa, it's like I'm passing through some rich gated community on the It Strip here. Yeah, walking on the It Strip, peeps, it's like I'm walking through some rich gated community. Not a sound. Wow, I never thought I would see this. Yeah, it's so quiet. It is so quiet here. Yeah, and I think the rain is coming again soon. The rain cloud coming across. Yeah. And definitely see a woman down there like she's praying or something. I'm gonna walk down there. Let's see. Yeah, let's go down there. You know, walking without fear. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah. Also, some man out there like them catch fish also. Some men are there catching fish. Yeah, this beach need cleaning up again. Yeah, but the beach is clean, peeps. It's clean. One lady out there in the water. She have her head wrap up. So yes, peeps, the beach is clean and the water is just, yeah, I haven't seen the water this clean in a long time. The water is very clean. Look pretty. Yeah. Anyway, let's walk around and go around. Yeah, walk down there, so Yeah, and you can feel the rain coming again. But I have my umbrella. So the sun come out, then the breeze come out. The sun come out, the breeze come out. Wow. Here is full of water. Alright, can I walk there? Well, I have not good enough shoes that I think can manage the water. This is why I need to get myself another shoes. Yeah, convertible shoes. Yeah, yes. So yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, so maybe that lady just having a bath. She with her ear wrap up, I thought she was some kind of pucker woman. Yeah. You know, Jamaicans are crazy. Yeah. So you know, peeps, let's go. Are we just treading? Yeah. We are just treading to your life of something I'm adding. So when the enemy see, they will be madding. Yeah, but I see some people have some stuff here like chairs and stuff. I wish they would put them up more secure than that, because if the wind comes, gonna blow away everything. Yeah, but I smell pieces also. Human pieces. Yeah. So it says no fish in here. Yes, people, the sea is extremely calm. Superly calm. So let's walk here. Ugh. My pants is kind of tight because of jeans pants. Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of pieces I smell. Holy smoke. Like people just poo wherever they want to poo. My word. Yeah, so walking through this park and end up close to Margaritaville again. Yeah, the rain is coming again. Don't know if my umbrella gonna make a lot of sense because the breeze is blowing. Yeah, and I see a lot of vehicles down here. Don't know why. If they're having some form of meeting or something down here by the Pelican. Oh, I didn't step in that. I'm smelling feces, but I didn't step in it. So definitely a lot of people, I mean, passing their feces over here. That's disgusting. Holy smoke. But anyways, we're on the road again, and see the breeze coming hard. Police them out enough. I guess they are maintaining harder. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of vehicles out here. I guess we're coming to have breakfast. Yeah. I guess they're coming to have breakfast. So I don't know what's happening here. Oh, because the rain coming, so police jumping out. They don't want to get wet up. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Don't want to get sick or something. Yeah. But the sea is pretty calm, peeps. So calm. And I mean, I guess the previous holiday, the this Margaritaville got a beating. And they're on a renovation again, even though they're open, they're on a renovation, but the rain. But the rain is coming still. Yes, peeps. So as I say, the sea is so calm. I'm applaud how calm the sea is. Yeah. So now the rain stop again and the breeze is out. Music playing over. Perfect. Morning. Huh? When is the storm coming? Tomorrow, that's alright?
Tomorrow.
Yeah. So what are you doing out here? What are you doing out here? Okay. You prepare already? Yeah. What do you mean? We just say like a while. Yeah. So you ask for what? Or you just say storm? Watch your road, you know, easy, you know. She's asking me. What me do out here? No hear storm. Yeah. And the store is still open, same way. Gift shop. Yeah. Still open. Jamaicans are the best here, man. Even though it's not Jamaican, it's Indian still. Yeah. Yeah, the gift shop still open. Oh, step right in the water. But my shoes seems to be waterproof. Yeah. Yeah. Gift shop open. The places are still opening the same way. Wow. Well, I guess tomorrow the storm on, so not today anyhow. See, there are gift shops across the road. Still opening. Because a lot of people wanted to travel back to America and wherever they want to, but the airports are closed. So Kingston and Montego Bay. So if they even want to go home here in Jamaica, they will have to stay. They will have to stay. There is no traveling either from Kingston or Montego Bay. Yeah. And here generator is running already. Big heavy duty ones. Guess they're already prepared for the storm. Yeah. So we're walking the street, peeps, and some tourists coming. Yeah. We see some tourists coming. Yeah. And as I say, we're on the heat strip of Montego Bay. That is it.
Honey.
We are on the heat strip of Montego Bay, peeps. And I see a lot of tourists. Yeah. A lot of tourists. Because they got nothing better to do. They gotta chill. They can't go home. So I guess a lot of them will see and would have experienced their first storm here in Jamaica also. Yeah. All of them will experience their first storm. And when you're walking, you gotta be careful because now these tiles have a lot of stuff on it. You will slip. So yes, we're up on the heat strips here, my peeps. Walking towards Dead End Beach, then we go towards the airport. Yeah. And even though it's raining and the time it's supposed to be cool, even though it's raining and the time it's supposed to be cool, I'm sweating. And we have another gift shop that is open. Yeah, a lot of places are still open. The rain come out. The sun come out, the rain fall, the sun come out, the rain fall. Yeah. Good morning.
Morning.
How you doing?
Good.
Preparing for the storm? Okay. Huh? Yeah, man. It's tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. They're saying it will definitely come tomorrow. But it's mostly seems like you're gonna hit St. Catherine and Clarendon. Yeah. So in this side we're gonna get a lot of wind. We might get wind and rain more.
What category now? 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is 4 in the sea in the morning.
Yeah. But a lot of Jamaicans don't really take it serious. You know, Jamaicans are already. A lot of us don't Jamaicans. We never take it serious.
No, but we don't take it serious.
But I spoke to my family member this morning. They said they already have road blockage, land slippage in St. Catherine.
Okay.
Yeah, they already have land slippage. Yeah, and flooding.
But your government, like NGO also say, take it seriously for this.
Yeah.
And it's gonna come with more damage from the last year.
Yeah.
Last year barely.
Yeah, we didn't get it directly. It's more like the rain and the wind. Yeah.
We just get it today, rain and storm.
Yeah. But when it reach closer, we're gonna get more rain here too.
Maybe.
Yeah. So hopefully it continues to drift away, and we don't get it fully.
Let's see.
Yeah.
What's that going?
Alright, big up yourself. Alright, cool. Bless. Yeah. So yes, peeps. That's our Indian. He owns a gift shop here on the East Strip. So this is Pier 1. Okay, this is also Pier 1, called Pier 1. I guess it's the same property management. Okay. I guess this is like a hotel or something, like Airbnb. All exclusive resort. Okay, cool. It says all exclusive. And this is Doctor's Cave. Doctor's Cave is closed off. No, I mean water activity happening nowhere. And this is Starbucks actually button up. Yeah. And the Jellyman seems like he needs some help. Yeah, heavy Jellyman. Yeah. Yeah. So you prepare for your storm already? Yeah? Prepare for your storm already? You prepare for the storm? What that you say? I didn't hear you. Man said you prepare for no storm. You don't see what I want. Ja. Oh. So tomorrow you're not up on the road though? Yeah. No, yeah. Jeez and peace. There's a gear like a break outside. Yeah. The man have a big door, gross Mitchell. Yeah man. Finger them thick. Something Jack. Oh. Cat heavy man. I jelly them. And jelly na igloo too. Okay. Oh. Yeah. I know I get no ice to buy, you know. Or you have enough ice? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All the time cool. So you don't need nothing hot really. Yeah. What can I say? When it's stripper, come like a some rich gated community, quiet. First we see each strip here, so we have to no man. It's like a some rich gated community over there.
Aye.
Go jelly. Sure. Good to wash off your heart. You don't further up on each strip on Dead End Beach.
In Sunset.
Oh. Okay. So yes, Steve. Oh. So look a man on the roadside like a homeless man. Oh, I'm not like that. Must have somewhere to go. So homeless man on the road. Yeah, so we're passing Usain Bolt Track and Records restaurant, and they seems to be making their last preparation for the storm. Yeah, I'm continue to help the brother because the cat heavy is a shame. You know how he manage it. Cha-cha. Yeah. Yeah. So you live near us, you live? How far you push from? Oh, for Burger King Park. Okay. Oh. Jelly, I can make you one drop off. So you not drop off. That one, make you one drop off. So you say tuna and jelly? Eh? Oh. Okay. Gift shop is still open. Yeah. I drop off. I put your stuff here, sir. Yeah. Sell it soon, sell on. Yeah. One thing then driver, you know what drive? They don't take time and splash up people. Yeah, the man is a flash up people. Seriously. Yeah. Yeah, the man then driving and water and splash you up. Yeah. 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 Jelly, my boss. Them gift shop, I want to see them like regular. Yeah, everybody wait until last minute then I lock up. Finally, kind of makes sense still. Yeah. Yeah. Because then shut it already, put it and then you know, no button up. Yeah. Button up. Nothing. Well, like homeless people, what they normally do with them? When you start, the homeless people are on the road. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah. 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 Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Boy. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So them button up was so good, because it's a big glass. Yeah, yeah. And broke it. You know, prepare. Yeah. You know, buy no. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Food prices.
Yeah. 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 I understand. Yeah. Can't stay home. It's not work for you. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. True, man. You have to do what you're good at. Yeah, yeah. Trouble. Yeah, because like you want an engine, funny brother. Yeah, they want an engine. Yeah. Yeah. We want a new wheel, man. Yeah, oh. Yeah, man, that will make you move faster. A plane that? What time is it you put it up? 9 o'clock. Dead End Beach. And we come look down here to the water, little rougher. That's gonna help the cat man pushing cat coming here. Yeah. I don't know how him alone manage a cat daily to push. But it's tough. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, look at it, peeps. It is the beach. Dead End Beach. Couple people down here still also still. Yeah. Anything. Yeah. But the sea is still on that rough. The sea ain't that rough. And I sit down there over that resort, I see a red flag. Yeah, so you know, no water activity now go on, nobody in the water or anything like that. But you know it's safe. A few little people still hustling. Yeah. So I walk go to the airport. And then I walk go back home. Yeah. So now peeps, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. On fire. Hold fire. So yes peeps, we are walking towards the air airport now. Yeah, and you can see up on the hill there, you can see the clouds. Yeah, we're gonna continue to get more rain and more rain and more rain. Rain, rain, rain. Yeah, but those Airbnb and stuff on the hillside here, nice view looking into the town. It's extremely nice place. So this place walking towards the airport now. Good little walk. Just a while ago I hear like a plane that take off, more like a plane take off. Let me see. Oh, but it's at 9 now, so I thought they said the airport would be closed by 10 o'clock. Okay, I think by 10 o'clock, something like that. Yeah. So let's walk and see what is going to happen. Yes, fire. Sometimes you see people on the road, they look homeless, but then they don't talk as if they are homeless, as if they have a unsound mind. They're homeless, but I don't know. I don't know what the case is. But it's a lot of walking I'm doing, babes. I don't know how I'm gonna get back into the town. Of course I know I'm gonna get back by walking the same way. But I mean, walking on the 8th Street this morning, it was something else. It was like going through a rich, gated community. Quiet, very quiet. Yeah, so quiet, it couldn't be more quiet, peeps. Trust me, I've never seen this strip this quiet. But anyhow, we're here, and we're walking. Some people already prepare here, sandbags, because I guess water gonna wash over here. Yeah, so they already got their sandbags out. Yeah, they have their sandbags out. I think I'm gonna walk back this side because I can get a taxi to go back into downtown Montego Bay. But this is not no easy walk. This ain't no easy walk, peeps. But we're doing it. And we're just passing Hotel Gloriana. If you watch that movie, there's a Jamaican lady by the name of Gloriana. Yeah, she struggled. Yeah. And I guess this is her hotel. I don't know if she's still alive. I don't think so. Yeah, but this is her hotel, Glory to Glory. That movie used to be on YouTube name, Glory to Gloriana. I think I had it selling at one point on DVD. Yeah, Glory to Gloriana. So this is the hotel. Yeah. Yeah, healthy alien, heard all that, you know. Okay. Yeah, one day we get the story and that also about this lady, Gloriana. I know we will. So I am walking straight towards the airport, please. Yeah. So I guess we're taking the tarpaulins off these sheds, because this is where you go to do your police record in Montego Bay. Yeah. This is where you go to do your police record here. Yeah, but the sky is really gloomy, peeps. Yeah, sky is really gloomy. So hopefully I don't have to walk go back, because I'm not in the mood to go back. But barely any signs as yet of hurricane activity really affecting Montego Bay. Yeah. Barely any sign as yet. We just get a little bit of rain, and it's not raining hard, it's on and off, and it's not falling enough to cause any flood even on the roadway, because normally you would have water settling up on the roadway, but it's not falling that hard for water to settle up on the roadway either. Yeah. And I see some preparation also. As you can see, the breeze is blowing. because when I've been in Montego Bay, I never felt this kind of breeze blowing before, and it's not December. Yeah, so you know. One thing I can tell about these drivers in Jamaica overall, they don't refrain from splashing pedestrian on the road. They will drive in the water and splash you. They don't care. Yeah. See? They don't care. They will drive in the water and splash you directly. Let me look behind me. Yeah. So even if you're walking on the sidewalk, they are driving so hard, they're definitely gonna splash you. I realize there's a lot of car dealership in Montego Bay. Cars to cars, auto. Yeah, a lot of car dealership in Montego Bay. A whole lot. Yeah. So we're on the streets of Montego Bay. Yeah. And it's a Sunday. It's not a fun day. No, it's not. It is not a fun day. And before I'm losing weight, it's like I'm putting on weight because my pants feel a little bit tight. Oh, imagine that. And I can tell it's a Sunday. Whoa. Yo. And the Chinese are at work. Look at that. The Chinese are at work, peeps. Look at them. And today is Sunday. I guess they are securing. Okay. Yeah.
Good morning. Up one. Doing good. I prepare for the hurricane. Yeah, you're preparing for the hurricane. Getting ready for the hurricane. Ah. Oh, cut off the trees too. You didn't cut the trees off. Yeah, you're gonna have to something feisty. But they know you don't understand the language. When you're speaking in Chinese, probably saying something feisty. Yeah. But regardless, you see with the Jamaican contractors and the Chinese them do them work and they don't go around the thing, but the Jamaicans they go around it. So 6 hours they are about the other. They are good at building infrastructures. Yeah. You have to give back to them. They are very good at building infrastructures. Whoa. Whoa. I tell you people, these drivers don't give a crap. They will mess you up and wet you up. Yeah. But the breeze is blowing hard now. Woo. But it's a good feeling to be out here. Feels good. Da-da-da-da-da. I knew I would. Yes, please. So we're on the street heading towards the airport. If the airport is closed as yet. We almost reached the airport. Where it says, welcome to Montego Bay. That's Ministry of Health in Montego Bay. And look at the compound. Compound need a bit of renovating. That need renovating. Compound need to look proper than that. Wow. Oh. What they're gonna do here? It's a road? I don't know. What's happening here? What is happening here? I don't know. The road is coming here or what? Seems to be. Seems to be like some road is coming this side. Yeah, but all of this was fenced up before. So I guess because of the hurricane, they take down all of this. Because this was fenced up. All this was fenced. Not anymore. So we're almost at the airport. We are almost there. At the airport. And that's it, peeps. We're not seeing any real signs of the effect of the hurricane here in Montego Bay as yet. More likely a little showers. Not enough to cause any flooding. Yeah. Not enough to cause any flooding. But yeah, push it on. Yeah. Oh, so I guess this is where they prepare the food for the planes. I should think. Supposed to. It's always close by to the airport. So yes, peeps. So I walk over the airport. Yeah. So stick and stay and don't go nowhere. So yes, peeps, we are pretty close to the airport, and I'm pretty sure I'm hearing plane. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm hearing plane. Yeah, I know this one is plane, so I'm pretty sure I'm hearing plane. I don't know if it's taking off. More like it's taking off. Take out back my umbrella. And it's a lot of walk for the morning here for me. Yeah, but that's good for me, peeps. This walking is therapeutic. Yeah, for the mind, soul and body. So yes, holy smoke. Breeze almost tore up this little umbrella that is made in China. The breeze almost tore up this little umbrella that is made in China. Yeah, so there's the airport, peeps. Yeah, and the airport is scanty. No one in arrival or anything. But your plane taking off. Legit. And the rain is coming again. Yeah, the rain is coming again. I think I'm gonna turn back. I'm gonna go around this roundabout like a vehicle and turn back. sign says I love Montego Bay. Yeah. Whoa. See nothing coming. Cross the road if I can quickly. Make any sense over there. It's gonna go around. Yeah, so the sign says I love Montego Bay. Arrivals. Parking departure cargo terminal. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the airport over there, peeps. That's the airport. It's pretty empty. Yeah. Whoa. You are on this here. Yeah. So I see people come off. Yeah. You gotta know how to hold the umbrella. Push it towards the breeze. Otherwise the breeze will tore it up. And over there you have Knutsford Express. Closer to the airport. Yeah. So I guess the airport is about to be permanently closed for this hurricane, the passing of this hurricane. Yeah. Drive up, driver. Let me pass quick and fast. Let me pass quick and fast. Yeah, let me lock my umbrella. It doesn't make any sense. Yeah, so over there now, peeps, is Knutsford Express office. And I see one bus over there. Yeah. I don't think those are even closed yet. Yeah, but scanty also. Yeah, so the whole Montego Bay, peeps, very scanty. But as I say, there's no real evidence or effect, rather effect. There's no real effect as yet from the storm or hurricane that is coming. Really. Anyway, peeps, let's get a taxi and head on back into Montego Bay town, downtown Montego Bay. Let's see how long I wait. No, taxi will come. Say taxi will come. Taxi will come because I am not in the mood to walk back. Because I haven't eaten any breakfast this morning either. Yeah. This is a very great walk, peeps. Just showing you what's happening in around Montego Bay. Yeah. So hopefully I get a taxi soon. I don't have to stand up here because my feet feel like they're actually hurting. Yeah. So stick and stay, peeps, as I wait on a taxi to go on home. Yeah, so I'm going away. Stick and stay. Stick and stay, peeps. The airport is pretty clean, as I said before. Pretty clean. So I guess they're closing off now. Yeah. No, not a lot of movements. Yeah. Let me see if this is a taxi or a Juta tour. It might look like a Juta tour. It's looking like a Juta tour. Yeah. And I say I'm not in the mood to walk to back home. There's a plane coming in. No. There's a plane leaving. There's a plane leaving. That plane is leaving, not coming in, but leaving. Yeah. I could always go up a top road and sit down at the airport, but that's a lot of walking. I can't manage that now. Or can I? Can I not manage it or can I manage it? What do you think? way, people. Stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. Might have to walk a bit because the airport is not busy. You're not gonna get a lot of taxi coming to the airport this morning. So I guess I gotta walk a bit and see if I can walk up the top road. So we are walking. We are walking, peeps. And if you can look, you can see the sign that says welcome to Montego Bay. Welcome to Montego Bay. All I see is Juta tourists coming from over there. Oh my God. So that's a sign where people stop and they actually come into Montego Bay and take pictures. Montego Bay. So I'm gonna cross here and walk over there to get a taxi into town. I can get a taxi into town. Yeah. But airplane, another plane coming in there now. That's another plane coming in. So the airport isn't closed as yet because there's a plane coming in. So flights are leaving and flights are coming in still. And it's after 10 now, going to 11. No, that leaving, not coming in, that's leaving. No. Yeah, that sounds like leaving, not coming in. Yeah. Here. So you know, peeps, stick and stay. So yes, peeps, I see one plane just coming in. Okay, one plane just coming in. So I thought the airport was totally closed. It's not. So one plane just coming in. Yeah. So I came up here just to see if I can get a better view at the airport because there's a hill up here. This is called Top Road. If you're from Montego Bay, then you will know. So I can stay from up here and see the airport. Very good. And again, this is Jamaicans. So Jamaicans would bring their garbage here to throw away in the gully. Oh my God. Yeah. Even a time like this when you have a hurricane. So where that gonna go to now? That's really crazy of you person who throw that over there using the gully as a dump. Yeah, really messed up. Wow. So yes, peeps, we are on Top Road. As I say, the road is quiet. Even though it's a Sunday morning, but it's extremely quiet, peeps. Here in Montego Bay. Yeah. So I wanna go all the way up here, stick and stay. So here we are now, peeps. We can see all the way down on the 8th strip, down on the airport, and it's a magnificent view. Yeah, so see the plane there. Plane is on the runway. Yeah, so I thought that the airport was completely closed. Apparently it's not. Not completely closed, see there? Yeah. So it's not completely closed. Yes, and I'm coming from all the way down there. That's where I'm coming from. That's called Bottom Road. I'm coming from all the way down there, people. And come all the way around and come up. lot of walking. Yeah. But this is it. As you can see. The sea is very calm. I don't see any big waves or anything like that. But it's a spectacular view from up here. Really spectacular. Yeah. Look at that. You don't see the no high wind, no high wave, you know? And sometimes that is the case. Yeah, I was down there on that road. Look at that. You know? Look at that, peeps. I was just down there, so I am coming from all the way down there. Whoa. Look at that. And even when I go up here, so you see more. Woo. Oh, that is the tower at the airport. Let's see if I can pick it up. Oh yeah, that's the tower. Image there, see a light blinking there. Tower at the airport. The airport tower. Yes, babes. So this is Montego Bay. As I say, there's no real showing or you know, evidence of the storm coming to Montego Bay as yet. We're not getting the real effect of it as yet either. So the place is just quiet, extremely quiet. Yeah, very quiet. Just imagine that. Very, very, very quiet place. Yeah, and I was all the way down there, sort of people. I went all the way down there. That's behind there. You find Dead End Beach. So this is called Bottom Road, but then all the way down there at Dead End Beach, way down there, peeps. If you know Montego Bay, then you will know the road stay. So this road is to the airport, yeah. And I came all the way from around that side, come around and come up, and come all the way around. So I walked miles since morning, and you can see the rain is coming now. The sky is clouded again. So the rain is definitely coming again. Definitely the rain is coming, peeps. So let me take out back my umbrella. Yeah. Oh. Let me take out back my umbrella. Under my umbrella. Ella, under my umbrella. Ella, It's raining. Ooh, baby, it's raining. Yeah. Whoa. So let me put up my phone, take out my GoPro. I don't know, I'm using my phone now. My GoPro can't zoom like that. But this is a spectacular view. Look at that, even from here. Very spectacular. Look at that. As I say, all we're getting now is rain and more rain. So the rain comes, it stops, and it comes and it stops. Yeah. So now, peeps. The rain came down hard a while ago. And then it gone again. Let me see. Whoa, nearly jump off. Try to get a taxi going to town, peeps. Try to get a taxi going to town now. Because I am tired of walking now. Yeah, and some more plane coming in. There's more plane coming in. There's another plane coming in. So the airport is not closed. That's our WestJet. Here there's another airplane coming in. So the airport is not closed. There's another airplane coming in. They're coming in plenty. Or maybe they're diverting, I don't know. Yeah, another airplane coming in. So the airport is not closed yet. It's about after 11 now. And then say, oh, the airport gonna be closed. I don't know. Maybe flight after coming in, so they're actually coming in. I get this close to who wanna go out, I'm not sure. Yes, see it rain stop again. So the rain stop, it starts, it stops, it starts. So that's how it goes in the morning here, peeps. Yeah. So new peeps, that's it for today. Yes, thank you all for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. And for all of you love what you do and do what you love. Right. And do it to the best of your ability. So I am putting up my umbrella again and the rain is coming out. And I'm saying, why was I putting up the umbrella in the first place? Whoa. Can I get a taxi to go in town because it's gonna be a long walk. One that I don't want to do because I don't really like walk on this road. Yeah, I don't really like walk on this road. So I'm gonna go right down there over that side and stop. I don't want to walk going to town. I don't like it. Don't like walking on this road. But this road don't have a lot of sidewalks. So I'm gonna go across the road. So anyway, peeps, thank you all for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. And Jamaicans, please take the storm serious and be prepared. It's better to prepare than not to prepare. If you prepare, you got nothing to lose. But if you don't prepare, you have everything to lose. Yeah. So please, Jamaicans, prepare. Beware and be prepared. So until next video, peeps, pick up on yourself. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love and do it to the best of your ability. God over devil, life over death. Peace out.
In the dark, on a road